Hello guys, today I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step tutorial of how to install Kali Linux on VMware. Now let's get started. Open up your browser, search in VMware download, click on the first link, scroll down, hit on download now. Then take another tab, search in Kali and go to downloads, virtual machines and download this latest file. I have already completed the download for the sake of time. Okay, so once it's downloaded, let's install VMware. Click on next, accept the terms, next. If you want to see, there's the install location over here. I'm changing it to drive D. That is as per your wish. I have created an empty folder called VMware, so I'm going to install it there. This add path. Next, next, install. Okay, now click on finish. Now open up the VMware. Okay. So go back to your downloads where you have downloaded your Kali file and you have to extract it here. Now open up VMware. Remind me later. Okay, so now we are going to click open a virtual machine. One thing I forgot to mention is for you guys, on your left side, these won't be there. This is there because I have previously installed these machines. Okay, so now let's move on and click on open a virtual machine. Then go to your downloaded folder, the folder which you have extracted, downloads, Kali, and hit on open. Then you see this play virtual machine, click on that. Okay. Okay, so the default username and password is Kali itself. Guys, now we have successfully installed the virtual machine. Kali Linux has been installed, and in order to use it in full screen, you can press this button over here. And that is it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.